Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to turn on call announcement on iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on apps. On the apps page, scroll down, tap on phone. On the phone page, tap announce call. Select always. Always announce incoming calls. When second generation AirPods and some Beats headphones are connected, you can answer a call without saying "Hey Siri." Thanks for watching this video.